Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accustomed. 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 Accustomed is an adjective that describes the state of being familiar with or used to a particular situation, condition, or environment due to repeated exposure or practice. It reflects a sense of habituation or comfort with the familiar. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Employees are accustomed to the open office layout after the recent office renovation. Why accustomed is used in example number 1. In a work context, accustomed describes employees' familiarity with the new office layout. Example number 2. The locals are accustomed to the harsh winters in this region and know how to prepare. Why accustomed is used in example number 2. Accustomed highlights the locals' familiarity with the harsh winters and their preparedness. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.